If you click an EXE file and it asks you which program do you want to open this with, your Windows registry associations are broken. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. We are going to reset the registry key to get your apps running again. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult EXE files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. The EXE serves as a primary example within the executable file classification. The file's organization is managed by the Windows Executable File system. The EXE file is the standard executable file format for the Microsoft Windows operating system. It contains the binary instructions and data required for a program to run directly on the CPU. Its primary function is launching and executing software applications. Developed by Microsoft, the format follows the Portable Executable (PE) structure. This design is critical. The file must contain a specific header and section table that informs the Windows loader how to allocate memory and begin execution. If this header is corrupted or the file is not digitally signed, Windows will block execution. This EXE file is handled by the industry standard tool 7-zip from Igor Pavlov. The proprietary indexing requires careful handling to avoid critical file system errors. Windows cannot reveal what the code does, so inspection requires specialized or verified tools. We are isolating the application issue. Right-click your EXE file and select Open With. Start with 7-zip if it's visible. If not, choose another program and check its ability to read the EXE format. If you still can't open the EXE file, it's okay. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection, let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, run malware scan. Run a quick scan using Windows Defender or a trusted antivirus program to check for malware, which often blocks or corrupts executable files. Next, use System File Checker. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run the command sfc scanno to scan for and repair damaged Windows system files. Finally, reset file associations. If the icon or association is broken, use the registry editor to reset the relevant value to %1 %. Your testing shows the system couldn't handle the EXE file, which means we've reached the limit of standard tools. This is the moment to use our Plan B, a universal viewer made for resistant file types. Stop wasting time on other tools. I recommend FileMagick, the universal viewer that works on the EXE format. Go to filemagick.com to download now. Keep troubleshooting and don't give up on those tough files. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.